Assalamualaikum dear students. Now we are going to start our next lecture. In last lecture we find about matrices. Today we are going to start types of matrices. There are many types of matrices. Let's see. First one is row matrix. A matrix in which number of rows is 1 is called row matrix. For example, a 1, 2, 3. This is a row matrix. See, it has only one row, but on the other side it has 3 columns. 1, 2, and 3. Order of this matrix is 1 by 3. You can say that a matrix where in order of which first we write 1 is always a row matrix. The matrix in which number of rows is 1. First we write the number of rows, so when there is written 1, then the matrix is row matrix. The next type of matrix, column matrix. Simply, you can understand that a matrix in which number of columns are 1 is called column matrix. For example, 1, 2. You can see there the number of rows are 2. 2 number of rows, and on the other side column number is only 1. There is only single column. The order of this matrix is 2 by 1. It is called column matrix. Next, it is the third type of matrix is rectangular matrix. A matrix M is said to be a rectangular matrix if there the number of rows are not equal to the number of columns. For example, A is equal to 5, 1, 3, 2, 7, 1. Here the number of rows are first row, second row. On the other hand, number of columns are first column, second column, and third column. So the order of this matrix is 2 by 3. There the number of rows are not equal to the number of columns. That's why this matrix is called rectangular matrix. It is in rectangular shape. That's why it is called rectangular matrix. Start the next one. The next one is square matrix. What is square matrix? A matrix N is said to be a square matrix if number of rows of matrix M is equal to the number of columns of matrix M. For example, B is equal to 2, 1, 7, 4. Here the number of rows are equal to the number of columns, as there are first row, second row. Same here. In the case of columns, you can say that there are two columns, first column and second column. So the number of rows and number of columns are equal. It is in square shape, that's why it is called a square matrix. Its order is 2 by 2. So it is called square matrix. The next one is fifth one, null matrix. A matrix is said to be a null matrix if all the entries of this matrix are 0, then this is called a null matrix. For example, we can see a matrix 0, 0, 0, 0. The order of this matrix is as the number of rows are 2 and the number of columns are also 2. So the order of this matrix is 2 by 2. It is a null matrix of order 2 by 2. Same here we can see a rectangular matrix 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. In this case, there are two number of rows, and in case of columns, there are 3 columns. So the order of this matrix is 2 by 3. But the matrix is null matrix. It is a matrix of any order having all the entries 0 is called null matrix. See the next one, transpose of a matrix. If we have a matrix A, then A transpose, we can read it, A transpose is the transpose of matrix A if its rows change into columns and columns change into rows. For example, we have a matrix A 1 7 5 3 1 0. then A transpose is equal to change its first row into a column. Like there is a row, first row, it change into the column as 1, 7 and 5. The first row change into first column and same about the second row. Second row change into the second column of its transpose. 3, 1 and 0. See the order of these matrices, there are two number of rows and number of columns are 3, 1, 2 and 3. So the order of this matrix is 2 by 3. But in case of transpose, there are three number of rows, first row, second row and third one. And next about the columns, there are two number of columns. So the order of this matrix is 3 by 2. In case of matrix A, the order of matrix A is 2 by 3, and in case of A transpose, the order of matrix A transpose is 3 by 2. So it is the transpose of matrices if rows change into columns and same columns change into rows. As 1, 3 is the first row, 7, 1 is second column, but then the 7, 1 is second row, 5, 0 is the third column, but in A transpose, 5, 0 is the third row. So this is called the transpose of a matrix.